Okay, I'm going to try and replace the battery on my Samsung S9. I actually broke the glass, so I have a replacement cover as well. Hopefully that's in the shot. I don't know if it is. Let me just double check. I think it should be fine. So I I bought this Vimin battery, which looks like this. Has the adhesive on the back. Comes with some tools, and then this is the glass one for the back cover. So far I don't have a hair dryer. And I used a razor blade to try and lift this up before, and obviously it's broken, so I don't really care about it. Just care about the front screen. And let's see if I can try and get the back cover off again. Should be pretty easy. What I actually did was I had my phone battery, it's quite hot, so I didn't even use a hair dryer or anything. I had just used I just charged my phone basically, and it was just super hot. Jeez. Okay. And actually, I kind of broke some things inside. I really don't recommend using a razor blade to try and cut around, like instead of these tabs here. It's way better to follow the instructions, and that way you don't have to get another case like I bought. It's 15 bucks, so whatever. I could have saved 15 bucks, but it is what it is. So now I'm just gonna try and take off the what is it, the fingerprint scanner thing. I think that's what's holding me back here, maybe. I turned off my phone. There we go. Probably can't see, but this tool is, oh, there we go. It's just me. So I just had to unhook that. I have to try and take off this thing, I think, and place it back in there. I think that's the only thing I have to take off. I might have to take off this glass plate. I really don't know. This looks like it's going to be really annoying to actually get off. So I think it's just this here. I wonder. Okay. Seems like I can just take this off. So the fingerprint reader. I don't think I need this. I don't know why I would need this metal plate. This looks like it's already on there. So whatever. We'll just worry about that one later. So it's open. Phone is off again. So I have no idea what this is for. This was in here. These are the instructions, so kind of following the instructions, I guess. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's just been police all day today. It's a Saturday, downtown Vancouver. Typical. So I'm supposed to take out a bunch of screws that hold this thing in. And this is what I damaged, so I cut the razor blade there and I just like cut it. I spread all this glue around. It was probably like crap that I did that, but as long as the front is okay, I'm good. Jeez, I'm not very careful with my stuff, obviously. Usually am, but I guess not this last week. So I'm just gonna unscrew these. This tool is actually not bad. Like it's not plastic. Well, I mean it might be. It doesn't really seem plastic though. It's nice. It's not bad. It works. You can see got a good grip. Okay, so I should do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, total of 10 pieces. Yeah, so just keep going here. Oh, look at that, magnetic, sweet. It's actually pretty cool. Saw someone else on YouTube use the same battery. I chose this one because it looks similar. I know it might sound kind of stupid, but it looks similar to the battery. It has this kind of like the I don't know what that black like thing with the hole is on, or I'm assuming it's something to do with transferring the heat, like some type of like heat plate or something. Although it's like, I think it's plastic. I don't know. So anyways, the battery looks the same, so I got the same looking battery. Thought, hey, if the battery looks the same, maybe it will work. So let's see. I was looking at other batteries online, and some are saying like 6,000 milliamps or something, or like, I don't know, way better milliamps. And this is a 3,000 milliamp. I hope it's a milliamp. Oh, what? Okay, I don't need to take that off. Okay. And I need the tabs. What the heck? Oh. So I should just be able to use these tabs again. This tab looks a little bit different. I don't know why. These two tabs, maybe they're the sturdy tabs. Yep, definitely recommend using tabs instead of a razor. I use a safety razor blade to do it. Honestly, don't recommend that. So it just says insert an open pick, remove the plastic cover. I think this is like glued down. Oh, I'm gonna rip it here because I already screwed it up. Honestly, really screwed it up there. Feel bad, but I mean, this phone is pretty old. Had it for probably 6 years. I don't know. So I looked to see how much it was worth to trade in on the Samsung website. And if I bought a new phone, just curious. Best price for Samsung S9 was $62. 62 dollars. So, yeah. I mean, I spent $45 Canadian. I'll just say 46 with, like, it's like 45, I don't know, some change. Just gonna, yeah, fuck it. I was gonna blow my nose. I'm not going to though, screw it. So now, some people remove the speaker, but the instructions don't say that I should remove it, so I don't know. It says you should heat up the phone again. I'm not gonna do that. Again, I don't have a hairdryer, so I'm just gonna see if I can pry it open. If it explodes, then fuck me. Hopefully I can get this open. Jeez. All right. My other trick, because I don't have a hairdryer, is gonna be, wow, just bent the pick. Holy, this sucks. I mean, it's not hot anymore. Okay. I don't know if you can do this. What the hell? Use the sturdy pick. Oh, that's what I was doing. Maybe this thing? Spatula? Jeez. Holy. This battery. Stupid ass battery. Okay. The back cover came with this little suction cup. So let's see. I mean, I don't think I should use a knife. Like, I have this knife, but I don't know if that's a good idea. I feel like knives and batteries are probably not a good idea. That doesn't work. Damn. It's just breaking everything. Okay. So I could put this in the oven and just on a low temp to loosen the glue, or I could try and use this knife. Okay. So, I mean, at this point, one sec. Okay, I was thinking spoon, but this probably makes more sense. So, oh jeez. I think I'm gonna damage like the speaker by doing this. I don't know what this is there. Fuck. Scared me. Jesus. Okay. All right. Not dead yet. Okay. Let's get these picks. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, maybe this spatula here. Oh shit. Put it there. Let me do this. Oh, okay, I'm alive. I'm just gonna put this here and just like thank my lucky stars or whatever you want to thank. You pray or do whatever. You worship or I don't know. Some just anything, you know, pray to the sun. Worshiping, if you've seen the George Carlin. Never mind. So now I've got the battery out. That was like 4 steps getting the battery out. Now putting it back in. Doesn't even say I should like clean anything. It's just like, oh, I think there's one side missing because this side is there. Do I need that in there? Seems like this bar, honestly, I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but it seems fine, this bar there, so I'm just gonna leave it. Take off the plastic cover. Apparently you're supposed to attach the battery first. So attach it and put it in, I guess, so it fits properly. Then take it off. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so now we can just push it down gently with love and kindness. I really hope your milliamperage is good and will last at least 2 to 3 years, because I don't want to buy a new phone because phones are a waste of money unless you're making money off of your phone, and I don't, so phones are a waste of money for me, but they're pretty cool to have, so all the cool kids have them. Okay, so connect the battery. So connecting the battery. And okay, so now I've been told just to make sure before you put all this stuff on, I've been told you should put this back on first and then try and turn it on before you put on the cover, so I don't think anything will blow up if I try and turn it on. I'm just gonna go for it. Jesus, okay. So you just stand back. Let's have some water. Okay, we have battery, sick. So I'm actually gonna turn it off. So it looks good. Look, it works. Turn it off. Jeez. Alright. So now I'm just gonna put it all back together. So probably a lot of people will like want to do a really nice job and like clean it up inside and like use some rubbing alcohol and be like just wipe it for like 50 minutes or 10 minutes or even 1 minute, I don't know. I'm probably not going to do that. This is actually a harder part than I was anticipating to put this on. Should be. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so this side is going down okay, but not the top. Okay, there we go. So I put the top part in first, I guess. Oh shit. Almost turned it on again. This one side here is not really going down, so it's not down. I don't know why. So this part is all good here, just like right here. Maybe if I like, jeez. Apparently this is like the antenna or something. Yeah, every time I've tried to force something, it usually ends not very well, so I'm just trying to do something different. Okay, so I got that down, but then now the top... Okay, this side is having problems, so... Really don't know what I'm doing wrong. So in, then up, down, okay. Okay. Snapping is acceptable. Snapping is acceptable. It's not forcing. Okay. Sweet. Looks good. Says like just needs some screws in it. Okay, next step. Install the cover, remove the old adhesive from the back. Oh. You know, the instructions don't even say that you should screw the screws in. So they forgot that step. But luckily, I remembered that there's screws. So you should not always believe what you read. Because sometimes it's a lie. You should just know that maybe there's some things that might happen that you wouldn't account for, like putting the screws back in the antenna. It's an important step, seems like. So I'm gonna screw this back in. Yeah, it literally doesn't say it, so I'm just gonna prove it. Step 14, connect the battery. Step 15, install the plastic cover containing the NFC antenna and charging coil. 16, remove the old adhesive. See? No, nothing. No install. No screwing in the screws. Okay, so... Wow. I can't believe I made it this far. So I could have paid somebody $80 to do this for me, and then I wouldn't have to get purchase a new back cover. So yeah, I saved 50% off deal for me, and I learned something new, and I got to create a cool video showing maybe somebody how to save 50% or less if you don't screw up. And oh, okay, I know where it goes. Got one screw left. I got let me just double check. Yep. Okay. So if you don't screw up the back cover, you might save even more money than me. I was like, how the fuck? I'm gonna have to buy a new cell phone. No, I don't want to buy one. I don't want to spend the money. I mean, I don't want to pull money from my savings to buy a cell phone that I just like look at Instagram. I look at my Teams for work. I mean, I do use it for work, but I look at my emails and do banking. Like, why do I need to spend like $800, $900,000? I mean, I know you can spend less, like probably $300-400, but if you're gonna buy a phone, I guess might as well buy within the last couple of years. So now this is good. The next part is even better. So this glass comes with great instructions. Step 1, clean up the screen with the professional screen tool. Okay. Tear off the release liner. Press down, that's it. Okay, they don't tell me how to put on the fingerprint reader, so I'm gonna go with that is on me. And this was installed like this, I believe, because this goes there, that goes there. Yep, okay, got the orientation right. So again, I didn't clean any glue off. I'm just gonna use the old glue and the new glue because it's not always about new stuff, not always about old stuff. It's about the old and the new stuff. You put it together and then it should work, right? So I just put it like that, stuck it on there. Cool. Honestly, I probably should have cleaned it before I put it on, but whatever. Feels a little different. It's like flatter. So it has a little bit of a groove in it. Probably better to have a groove, I'm sure. Samsung has probably got that one down. You can hear people yelling. That's again downtown. People like to yell. People like to rev their engines and talk to the police. So I think I just remove the adhesive now and I just stick it on. So again, there's like a bunch of like glue here. Maybe I'll just press it down. Like, to me, like the more glue the better. Do I really care about cleaning this? Benefits of cleaning it. It will be clean inside of the case. Cool, I won't see it. Performance, I don't know, maybe better. But I think I should probably stop touching it, to be honest. It's making it less sticky. It's just my laundry. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it on the old glue. Worst comes to worst, I can just buy new glue. Oh, shouldn't have done this. Okay. What? Okay, I don't know why this comes off. It's supposed to come off, right? What the hell is this? Honestly, don't really know what this is. Okay, so this came off. Again, I don't know what this is for. I think maybe a stick on the back. Obviously, if it came off, the glue's not very good, so good thing I kept the old glue on. It's actually why I'm keeping the old glue on, is I've heard people say that the new glue isn't really that sticky, it comes off, so whatever. Okay, that's stuck down, this is in. This is awkward. So, what the heck? There's no instructions with this one. Well, there is, it's just like, I'm pretty sure this is like instructions for like a screen protector. Okay. So it just says clean off. Jeez. Look at this. This is terrible. It's like clean. Okay, hold on. I do have this. I know like this is, I don't know, maybe I should use this as well. So, what the heck? Give you a bunch of parts and I don't know what to do. Okay, so I was gonna try and take the, oh, one is for the outside? One is for the inside? Nope. It just comes off. Okay. So somehow I peel this off. It doesn't work very well. Jeez. This is garbage. Oh my God. Okay, so I think I got all these tools. Jeez. I don't know what's, okay, that worked so well. Battery install, 10 minutes. Back case install, 2 hours. Okay. Don't break. Oh, it broke. Oh, okay. I can see why somebody said this is like crap. Is this crappy? It's even plastic, like even the plastic, I mean the plastic sticks to it really well. So I guess, I mean, you'd think it would work. But yeah, just gotta get one of these tools, press it down. It's not in the instructions since there is no instructions. Jeez. Look at this garbage. Okay, this is $15, so I shouldn't complain, right? Smash the back of my case. Maybe I should just be like, you know what? Get what you pay for. I wanted to get something cheap. I don't want to invest in my phone that much. I won't see the back of my case because I won't see the back of my phone because I have a case. Okay, okay. Every corner, every corner. Maybe I'm just like too fast on the corners. You know when you're driving and then you're like, go around a corner like way too quick? And you're like, whoa, you're like, okay, I gotta brake in the corner, which you shouldn't. Like, it's just too fast. Way too fast. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna like tap it down because this is garbage. So, good question. Should I put extra adhesive? Should I go with the double adhesive? Heck yeah. Let's see. Oh. Honestly, I don't know. Okay, I can tear this off, but then this is... What? Oh. So I tear this off, but... That's sticky, okay. So then I install it. How do I install this? Okay, I'm just gonna follow what this looks like. Okay, okay. This looks similar. So I'm just gonna put adhesive on adhesive. Okay. This could be the worst idea I've made in a while. Besides breaking the back cover of my phone. Oh. Fuck. What is this for? Oh. Alright. So you can see I got this double adhesive. Jeez. I don't know. I think it was a bad idea to do double adhesive, but... I mean, what else am I going to do with this? Okay, whatever. You put sticky stuff on the sticky stuff and sticky stuff on the old adhesive, maybe it is good. This back cover is just... I hope this is the last time I have to do this in my life. For this phone. Actually, you know what? I'm fine. It's 45 bucks. 45 bucks. It's like what? If I can do this in under an hour... Even if I could do this in an hour, it's like $45 in an hour. Could I like just get a gig to like pay me $45 for 1 hour? Oh, God. Probably not. Just like 1 hour of work. Like, where are you gonna just be like, hey, can I show up for 1 hour? You give me 45 bucks and I leave. But it's not even like showing up. It's like from home. It's like you do this from home. So, best case scenario, this works. You save money. Ooh, this one's better. Oh, okay, okay. Nice. Okay, so that was great. So now we got double adhesive. Heck yes. So I put the double adhesive on like very poorly. So that's how you know when you did a good job, is when it's the glue sticks out the top. That's what it looks like. This is not that bad. I'm not gonna clean up this crap, I don't care. So now, important part, put it on. Okay, I'm gonna try and do it from this angle. Okay, so now, probably did nothing. So now, and my hand's in the way, so I'm gonna try and, this is gonna be really crap. Okay, so, sorry. Got it. I got it. Heck yeah. Okay. Holy, that was the hardest part of this whole thing. So now, you see, okay, so now, push it down with love and kindness and determination, ferocity. Uh-oh. There's a gap there. Gap, no gap. Well, maybe that's why I paid $15. I don't know. So, push, push. Force it in. Yeah, now we use force. this under here in case something drops. Okay. Well, whatever. It's not broken glass, so as long as my phone works. Okay. Let's take this off. Wow. Look at that. Boom. Some crap here. Hold on. Wow, look at that. Samsung Galaxy S9. Wow, shiny. That's not bad, actually. You got it popping up around the corner. But who cares? Fuck it. No, that's the story of life, or the, not the story of life, but the, yeah. I mean, to be honest, like, just don't put it in the underwater. Yes. Success. All right, so let's see. Samsung, look at this. Wow. So I'll just show you, because now I can see what camera's looking at. So here, it's not flush at all. You can see that lip. Oh, but how's the front, right? Maybe I just got it on a weird angle. Or it's probably the double adhesive, to be honest. So yeah, maybe don't double adhesive it. No. So I don't know, double adhesive, then you get that stupid lip. Wow, this is like so much better, but yeah. So I don't know. Maybe somehow double adhesive might be good. Maybe not. It's been an hour. I gotta get my laundry, but just to show you, my phone works. Yes. Now to charge it and power down. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.